On the downside, though, Opto Circuits is struggling a little bit. You've got NIIT Tech along with Sobha Developers, India Cements and Dhanlakshmi Bank looking a tad wobbly. But let's also get in Sameet Chavan as well as Mitesh Panchal, who join in on the show to share their top recommendations. Sameet, let's start off with you. 2 buys and a solitary sell.
Yes, good morning, Aban. Our first buy call would be on ACC for a target of 1470. Stop loss would be around 1365. It seems that looking at the weekly chart structure, the stock has formed a strong base around 1300, 1320 and is now on the verge of giving a breakout from its falling wedge pattern around 1390, 1400 on a closing basis. Considering today's price action, we believe that the stock has a potential to climb towards 1470 over the next few trading sessions, and stop loss would be around 1365. Our second recommendation would be to buy Exide Industries for a target of 172. This would be our first target, and with a medium term view we expect the stock to move towards 185. This stock has clearly given a breakout from the bullish diamond pattern on the daily charts around 156, 158 with rising volumes. The weekly chart certainly looks encouraging. The stock is poised for a very good move, not only in the near term but medium term view as well remains positive. We have a first target of 172 and second target, as I said, would be 185. It can be bought by keeping a strict stop loss at 160. And our final recommendation would be to short Dr. Reddy's for a target of 4050 and stop loss can be kept around 4200. Looking at the overall chart structure, it appears that the stock has a strong resistance around 4300, 4320. 5 days back the stock gave a correction from its highs, and after 3 days of consolidation it gave a breakdown from its multiple support zone of 4150, 4160. The hourly chart looks extremely negative, thus we expect the stock to correct towards first towards 4050, and our next target would be around 4380. It can be shorted on every bounce by keeping a strict stop loss above 4200.
Okay, some trading ideas coming in from Sameet Chauhan, and clearly he's placed 2 buy and 1 sell call in the name of Dr. Reddy's. Let's get on. Mitesh Panchal's trading recommendations as well. Mitesh, good morning. Tell us, which stocks would you be betting on?
Good morning. I'll be going with 3 long stocks. First is from the FMCG basket, Hindustan Unilever Limited. If you look at the chart pattern, stock has formed a very strong base between 790 to 800. Since last few trading sessions, stock is forming heart of high bottom formation. And even if you look at the hourly chart, on every day stock is being bought into, which suggests that going forward there are strong chances that stock will enter into a new trading range. However, 825 to be very precise is acting as a minor resistance. But looking at the kind of setup which we have on a daily and hourly chart, we feel that stock will climb much higher levels going forward. So I have recommended the stock with a stop of 790 for a target of 870. Second is a Divi's Lab. Among the entire pharma basket, if you look at the chart pattern of Divi's Lab, the stock is actually consolidating since last few trading sessions. Now hourly chart do indicate that the stock, if managed to trade above 1120, then there are strong chances that stock will enter into a new trading range between 1150 and 1180. We feel that based upon the kind of volume it is clocking on the delivery side, we feel that going forward stock will enter into a new trading range and can taste 1200 levels on the upside. So we have recommended to go long with a stop of 1050 for a target of 1200. Third is BHEL. If you look at the entire October series, BHEL witnessed a steep fall. Since before few trading sessions, stock has formed a strong base between 180 to 200. Now going forward in the next series, we expect the stock to trade at a higher levels and test much higher levels. Looking at the daily and hourly chart, we feel that stock is now ready for a big up move. So we have recommended the stock to go long with a stop of 202 for a target of 236.
Thanks for your picks, but let's focus in on Sun TV's results, and they've put out a good set of numbers, at least when it comes to the profits. 218 crores is what they've delivered. This is versus a comparable of close to 155 crore rupees. And remember, we were working with an uptick of almost 33%, which was already a fairly decent estimate. That was at about 206 crore rupees. So looks like it has been a beat on the profit front. But more importantly, we'll have to wait for the margins.